Hello everyone, welcome to Jackie's Boutique. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to make an invitation. It's just a refresh from the last invitation that I had made. So yeah, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is you are going to want to open your Photoshop. Then you're going to want, once that's open, you're going to want to go to File, New, Blank File, and pick the size that you want. I'm going to be doing a portrait 4x6. I don't want it too big and I don't want it too small, so this will do. Next you want to go to Open and find your background that you want to use, and I'm using this red, white, and blue chevron. And I know in the previous I said go to Google, right click, copy, paste. I find this to be a little easier and a little more better quality. So what you want to do is you want to right click, duplicate layer into the file you're working in, and if you notice, it opens in two different tabs. You have Entitlement 1, which I have my document in, and then you have the red, white, blue chevron. That's the file name. So you want to click OK, and then you want to go back to your file, and just fix your background the way you want it. And click the little check, and there is your little file. So the next thing you want to do is you want to open this, and I'm going to be using one of my little vectors, shapes that I have. So you want to go to this shape tool here and find my shape, if I can find it. Okay, here it is. I want to use this cloud one, or this flower one, they call it a flower. And I'm just going to put white background. And we're going to stretch that just a little bit more. I'm just going to put it right there. Click OK. Now you want to go to the cookie cutter and find that same shape, which is right here, luckily, and just tap on it and click OK. So now you have your little vector. Next you want to go to Edit, Stroke Outline, and I'm going to use this blue. So you can click on it or just click there and click on that. And click OK. So we got that, and there's a little flower thing. So the next thing you want to do is you want to create a text bar. If you want this to be shown, that is fine, but I'm going to go back to this shape, custom shape, or this shape little tool, and I'm going to click on the rectangular tool, and I'm going to again put it white, and I'm going to create a small text bar. I'm going to stretch out just a little bit. I don't want it too out because I want part of the background to be shown. So there we have it, and we're going to pull it up just a little bit. Okay, and then again you want to go to the cookie cutter, you want to find a rectangle shape. You want to find a rectangle shape, and here it is. Click on it, click OK. Again, if you want, you can select this color, stroke outline. Okay. So now that we have that there, we want to create our text. So again, you want to create a new layer. You want to click on the text tool, and you're going to want to just drag a little box or the big box, it's up to you, and type in "You are invited." Now, if you notice that the fireworks party looks kind of think it can be, what you can do is go back to the text tool and just delete it and click OK, and then again create another text and write Fireworks Party. If you want to capitalize the F, that is fine. And then you just center that. Now if you want to make this box bigger, you can. You can just make it bigger so that everything fits in. And with the check mark. Now this, we want the cloud to be kind of at the bottom. So you want to bring it to the front and you just want to put it right there. And we'll make this just a little bigger as well. And click OK. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is you want to add maybe a graphic or something cute and nice. I'm going to use the graphics that are already on Photoshop because right now I don't have any Photoshop vectors for 4th of July. So I'm going to use this little star one because I think that's all I have for 4th of July. Let's go down to see, but yeah, that's all I have for 4th of July. So I'm going to go grab this and I'm going to move it into that little box. And once it's there, you want to go back to layers and you can resize it to however you want. And click OK. And if you could see, some of it's sticking out over here, so you want to just bring it in just a little bit. And there you have it. Now you can put whatever you want in this tool. You can put pictures on this. You can put pictures here in the corner, here in the corner, the corners, you know, little stars. Something maybe like, let's see if I can find a star. We can use this star here. And put little stars at the corner. You can always resize it to fit. Like that. And just duplicate the layers and place them where you want. Now when you get to the top, if you want, and if you don't want them that way, you can always just rotate it that way. And vice versa. Like this one, we can rotate this way. And there you have it, your invitation to your 4th of July works party and all. What you want to do though is if you sell them, you want to make sure you save as a PDF, because I'm sure not everybody has the same information as you do. So save it as PDF so that you can come back and re-edit the invitation to the way the customer wants it. Now if you're making it for yourself and when you send it to your customer, make sure you save it, save as JPEG, so that you can get the full 300 pixel thing you want. You don't have to save every you don't have to link them all together if you don't want to, but that's up to you. I don't personally, because I have to go back and re-edit it, because they probably don't want the stars, or they want a different picture, or you know, something different. So just make sure that you save as PDF so you can come back and re-edit what you need to re-edit. So again, thank you for watching.